it's been a really long time that I did any minimalist product review. So in this video, we are going to review the newest launch or fairly newest launch from Minimalist, that is their Salicylic plus LHA 2% cleanser. I've been using this product for over 3 weeks to 4 weeks or even a month. If you want to know how this product is, how it worked for me, and me nerding upon the ingredient list, then stay tuned. Hey guys, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Maitri Haldar. I do make a lot of beauty related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media platforms where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. So we are going to straight ahead move on with the product review. So here goes its claims. It claims to be a daily gentle exfoliating face cleanser, and it also claims to be deep cleansing, pore decongestion and sebum reduction without drying out your skin. The claims are very sweet and simple, so we are going to move ahead with the ingredient list. Now this particular cleanser is a water-based cleanser. Because this is a face cleanser, we are going to talk about the surfactants used. Now it uses a total of 3 surfactants, but in their website they are mentioning they only use 2 surfactants, so maybe the last one might be a buffering agent or a thickener. But the 2 main surfactants that they are mentioning is first of all cocamida propyl betaine and sodium lauryl methyl isethioate. Now apart from these 2 surfactants, they also have cocoa glucoside, and all of these 3 surfactants are very mild, very gentle. In fact, cocamida propyl betaine, one of my favorite surfactants because it's such a gentle and effective surfactant. Coming on to the main juice, which is the actives present in this particular cleanser, which is first of all salicylic acid and LHA. Salicylic acid is a form of BHA or beta hydroxy acid. Salicylic acid is great for pore problems, pore decongestion, sebum reduction and even acne. But LHA, you might be not familiar with LHA. So if I need to brief down LHA in a very sweet and short manner, LHA is basically a milder form of BHA which does exactly the same thing as a BHA does but has a larger molecular weight, so it doesn't irritate your skin too much. In fact, the LHA that they chose to include is named after salicylic acid or is derived from salicylic acid, that is caprollyl salicylic acid, and both of the salicylic acid and LHAs combined together gives you the 2% of actives or BHA and LHA that this product has. Additionally, it also has my favorite extract of all time, that is colloidal oat extract or oat bran extract. Oat in any skincare is such a nice blessing. Now I did tested the pH. Obviously the pH was something around 5 to 6, and the rest of the ingredients are either preservatives or buffering agent. Now you might see lactic acid present in this ingredient list, but I don't think the percentage of lactic acid will be more than 0.01%. It is used as a buffering agent, not exactly for its exfoliating benefits. Now coming on to a couple of product specifications, starting with the texture. Now this particular product has a very watery texture. Even if you foam up, it doesn't lathers up, but it will foam up nicely. It will cleanse your skin without making your skin greasy or oily or dry. It also washes off pretty easily and you don't require a lot of water to wash off, because some cleansers does require a gallon of water to actually remove that cleanser off from your face. Coming on to the potency, it does has 2% of salicylic acid plus LHA combined, and I don't think anybody, even if you are a beginner or intermediate, will get irritated from a wash off product such as this one. This product will be more suited to even the beginners who are starting off with chemical exfoliation. Even if you are an intermediate and you want a chemical exfoliating cleanser in your daily routine, this can suffice both the beginners and intermediates. Coming on to the packaging, it does comes in a plastic bottle with a flip top packaging. I would have liked the pump packaging for 2 reasons. First of all, the product is very watery, and when you drop it onto the palm of your hand, sometimes you dispense a little bit more of a product, and I would have liked glass packaging. Keeping the price point in concern, I'm not really mad about it. Coming on to the next criteria, which is the price range. It retails for surprisingly at a very low price point, that is $2.99 per 100 ml, which I am impressed, and judging by the quality and the quantity of the product you get, it is bang for your buck. Coming on to application, as this is a face cleanser, just use it as your face cleanser. You can foam up in your hand or directly apply it on your face. Anything works. Just make sure if you are a beginner, start off with using alternate days a week, or if you are planning to use it every single day, just use it on the PM time. And if you are an intermediate, you can use it on the both AM and PM time, but on the AM time, I don't think you really require a chemical exfoliating face wash to be in general. Coming on to my thoughts, I've been using this product for over a month and I really like this. This is such a gentle face wash with all of its amazing salicylic acid and LHA benefits. Because if you guys are not familiar with salicylic acid face washes that are majoritarily present in the market, such as your Clean and Clear, Neutrogena, and the other acne fighting face washes, most of them does contain an ingredient called a salicylic acid that does help in like decongesting your pores and as well as just like clearing off your acne. Because if you are a teenager and you have faced a lot of acne, you might know 99% of the acne fighting products or even a dermatologist might have suggested use salicylic acid as its main ingredient, because this particular active or BHA is such an amazing active for anyone who have like pore problem, especially acne problem. If you want to know a little bit more about BHAs and chemical exfoliation and all these sciencey stuff, you can go to my chemical exfoliation video in the bottom box below, or you can watch my review of the Rovectin LHA blemish ampule. In both of those videos, I've gone into much more detail about what is salicylic acid, what is BHA, what is PHA and LHA. I will link it both in the bottom box below, including the product link of this particular product. Coming on to the pros and cons, the pros being it is such an amazing gentle face wash for anyone who is beginner, intermediate, pro, anyone. It will suit everyone, but as always, do a patch test and then use it. This cleanser is also very affordable, very accessible. It does gives you all the chemical exfoliating properties that you are ever going to need. If you are suffering from acne, pore problem, pore congestion problem, even milia, this particular product will suit all of them. This has such an amazing texture. It doesn't require a lot of water to get washed off. It also doesn't have any fragrance, any colorants, and also the pH is quite balanced, so it won't really irritate your skin. Coming on to the cons, however, I do wish them up with a pump packaging for their face wash and a little bit more of a bigger bottle. But yeah, that's just me. But overall, I do not have any cons with this particular product. Coming on to my final verdict, yes, I will 100% recommend it to anyone who is looking for a chemical exfoliating face wash, a BHA face wash, which was really necessity in Indian skincare market, because there are a lot of BHA based face washes. Many of the pharma brands have it, but not a commercial brand. It is much more accessible to any of you who are searching for BHA based face washes. Previously, the only BHA face wash that I really liked was from Kaya, but that did contain fragrance, so this being a fragrance free product can cater to a larger variety of audience. So yeah, overall I will rate this product about 10 out of 10 obviously, and this particular product goes into my top 5 or top 10 best minimalist product or best Indian skincare product. Talking about Indian skincare, I'm currently running a 30 days of Indian skincare series in my Instagram, so hop it on to there. The links would be in the description box below. Let me know how you think about this video in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends who is looking for the review of the newest cleanser from Minimalist, and lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.